Welcome back. Let's do question 212. The first term of a geometric series is 14 and the sixth term is 448. Determine the number of consecutive terms that must be added to the first 6 terms of the series in order to obtain a sum of 114,674. So what do we do here? We need to find the sum of the first 6 terms, and then after finding the sum of the first 6 terms, we find the difference between the sum of the first 6 terms and 114,674. And then after finding that difference, we can then find the number of terms that must be added to the first 6 terms. Let me try to explain this. Let's find the sum of the first 6 terms. Remember, in the previous question, we managed to find that r is equal to 2. And then Sn is equal to a Rn minus 1, r minus 1. Let's find the sum of the first 6 terms. So it's going to be sum of the first 6 terms. The first term is 14, then r is 2, then n is 6 over 2 minus 1. Sum of the first 6 terms is 882. Let's read the question. Determine the number of consecutive terms that must be added to the first 6 terms of the series in order to obtain the sum of 114,674. So let's find out what should be added to this sum of the first 6 terms to get this. Okay, so we subtract. So we say 114,674 minus 882. And then we get what? We get 113,792. So it means the terms that must be added to the first 6 terms must give us this sum. The terms that must be added to the first 6 terms must give us this sum. So how many terms must be added? Okay, so now we need to consider that we have done the first 6 terms. So T7, term number 7, becomes our first term for these terms that must be added. Term number 7 becomes the first term for these terms that must be added. So let's find T7. So remember, Tn is equal to ar to the power n minus 1. So T7 is going to be 14, then 2 to the power 6, because 7 minus 1 is 6. And then we get 896. So now it means the 7th term is 896. So we're going to add these terms to get this. Let's find n now. So we're going to use this formula, Sn, which is 113,792 is equal to our A is our 7th term. So which is 896. And then our ratio is 2. We have it. We got it from the previous question. And then power n minus 1 over 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we remain with 113,792 is equal to 896, 2 to the power n minus 1. Then divide by 896 on both sides of the equation. We remain with 127 is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1. Add 1 on both sides of the equation. 128 is equal to 2 to the power n. Then 128 is 2 to the power 7. So it's 2 to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power n. Then now the bases are equal. We can equate the exponents. Therefore, n is equal to 7. So it means 7 terms must be added to the first 6 terms to get 114,674.